Today, we will talk about the marginal rate of substitution, (MRS), in economics. The marginal rate of substitution in economics refers to the amount of a good that a consumer is willing to substitute for another good, as long as the new good provides the same level of satisfaction. For example, if a consumer is willing to give up 2 hot dogs to have 1 more hamburger, the marginal rate of substitution for hamburgers and hot dogs would be 2. The formula for calculating the marginal rate of substitution is the derivative of the quantity of one good with respect to the quantity of another good. The formula is MRS(xy) equals dy/dx equals mux/mue, where x and y are 2 different goods and mu represents the marginal utility of each good. The MRS is a useful tool in analyzing consumer behaviors and understanding how individuals are willing to substitute one good for another. For example, if a government wants to analyze how offering electric vehicle incentives may lead to more environmentally friendly purchases, understanding how MRS is impacted before and after the tax incentive can provide valuable insights. The MRS is the slope of the indifference curve at any given point, displaying a frontier of utility for each combination of goods. It's a critical component for businesses analyzing consumption trends and for government entities setting public policy. For example, if the MRS is increasing, the indifference curve will be concave to the origin, showing more consumption of one good in place of another. For instance, a consumer must choose between hamburgers and hot dogs. To determine the MRS, the consumer is asked what combinations of hamburgers and hot dogs provide the same level of satisfaction. If the marginal rate of substitution of hamburgers for hot dogs is -2, that means the individual would be willing to give up 2 hot dogs for every additional hamburger consumption. Here are 5 key takeaways. 1. The marginal rate of substitution, MRS, measures the willingness of a consumer to replace one good for another, as long as the new good is equally satisfying. 2. The MRS is the slope of the indifference curve at any given point, displaying a frontier of utility for each combination of goods. 3. When the law of diminishing MRS is in effect, the MRS forms a downward, negative sloping, convex curve showing more consumption of one good in place of another. 4. MRS may not inform analysts of true utility as it assumes both products can be exchanged for the same utility. 5. MRS is also limited in that it only considered 2 items. It does not consider how additional units may factor into different consumption preferences. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.